So no, it's easier for me like that. Okay, so my title is Gamification for a Democratic Assessment, and my first question is, who knows what gamification is? Hands up if you have heard about it, you know what it is. Okay, all right, it's a nice amount of people. All right, so gamification is the use of game design elements in non-game context. That's kind of an official definition, in which you have two important parts. You have one, the non-game context, which could be anything like business, HR, but of course now we are talking about the school. And you can, within the school, gamify lots of different things. You can, I'm sure you have already used to make an exercise more motivating, interesting by involving game elements or full topic, or, yeah, it's not always working.
Let's do that.
Yeah, okay, a problem. But now we are going to talk about how to gamify assessment. And how we do that is that we put in game design elements, and we are going to look at Khan Academy that Ulfar already mentioned, and some other examples. And again, yeah, so for example, this is a gamified New Year's wish. Might be good to turn off the lights here so you can see a little bit better. You have, oh, not this light. Okay. So you have discovered a new level. Okay, so again, we can see some game elements here, which consists of levels. You can see 2015, all the 365 stars finished, and this was a New Year's wish for me in 2016. Okay, so we had 366 days, and here you have some unlocked achievements, which is also a game design element. In Khan Academy, this is how it looks like when you log in. You have an avatar, okay, that represents you, and let me tell you a short story. In the school, I was hearing my students, 18-year-old, final year, asking each other that, how is your dragon so nice, because it develops as you collect points. And they said that, psst, don't tell anybody, but I'm counting butterflies in the early math section. So you can get the points with lots of different things, and sometimes having a nicer dragon makes 18-year-old boys counting butterflies. You are collecting points for anything. This is what I'm doing in my teaching, that I don't give grades, but I give points. So if they do the homework, class assessment, tests, presentations, everything, they collect points, and these points will be transformed into a grade only at the end of the topic. So we like this, within a topic you have lots of things to do. You can collect badges. You have, this is the Khan Academy site. You can see what videos the students watched, what exercises they have done, and you can give titles to the students. Actually, one of my students made this. He created titles to the different grades we give. So, for example, if you got a 5 in fractions, you are the X factor. Or if you just got a 4, you are a faction fighter. So you can give lots of different titles. And there are even more game elements. There are gamified websites. For example, based on Warcraft, you have Classcraft, in which you have roles. You can be a warrior, you can be a healer, which enhances cooperation. And is it a democratic tool? My answer is actually no. I can give you lots of examples from China, from teaching psychopaths and so on. But the better question, how to use game design elements to develop democratic competences, and I'm happy to talk to you in more detail.